Good morning, students. I hope you're all fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Right. So, how was your exam?
ठीक है मैम, अच्छा हो गया.
ठीक हो गया था? चलो, that's good.
Yes ma'am.
All right. So, we'll just wait for 2 minutes and then we'll begin. Right? I just want few more students to join in. Otherwise, we'll begin anyway. So today I've just made a PPT of few current affairs, right? The news which was quite, being discussed in April. So as you're aware, abhi aapko, we did discuss elections, right? So the state elections are going on. Tomorrow is the last phase of the Vidhan Sabha elections in West Bengal, right? And then we'll have the result on 2nd May. So something related to that, something related to COVID. So I've just collected few questions and related, data. So let's just wait for 2 more minutes and then we can begin. All right, so I'm going to share this PPT with you. Right, it's more of a quiz, so you all are welcome to answer if you know the answers. Otherwise, I have the answers here with me. ठीक है बेटा, so let's start. All right, so first question is, who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner? So yes, anybody who has the idea? हाँ जी बेटा, निखिल, सोनाली, अरविंद. थोड़ा सा अगर आप if you had been in touch with the news, कहीं आपने ये read किया हो. All right, so let's move to the second question and we'll check the answers together. So which COVID-19 vaccine has become the third one to receive emergency use approval in India? हाँ जी, any idea? अच्छा, ये आपने नेम्स तो सुने होंगे, स्पुतनिक 5th, जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन वैक्सीन, मॉडर्ना, फाइजर. हाँ जी, ये नेम्स सुने हैं बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
सुने होंगे, है ना? So any idea about which countries are using Moderna and Pfizer?
Ma'am, America.
Yes, you are right. The US is using these two brands, right? So any idea about this name? This name kind of gives the country it comes from. ये नेम तो पक्का आपने कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होगा पहले भी. Yes, Harman, Sonali, any idea about it?
No ma'am.
Okay, so this is from Russia, right? So अभी हम आंसर दोनों क्वेश्चंस के चेक कर लेते हैं. So for the first, the answer is Sushil Chandra, the election commissioner. Sushil Chandra, he was, appointed by the president as the new chief election commissioner of India. He was already an election commissioner and now he has become the chief election commissioner. So just a side trivia, जो हमारा election commission of India है, उसमें एक chief election commissioner होता है, and we have 2 election commissioners, right? So he was already one of the election commissioner. And now he has been made the Chief Election Commissioner of India. And this Election Commission of India is responsible for conduct of elections, right? Be those Lok Sabha elections or the state elections, Vidhan Sabha. ये सारी Election Commission manage करता है with the help of, the bureaucrats and the officers who are posted in various states in various offices, right? So he became the 24th Chief Election Commissioner of the country and he replaced Sunil Arora, who has retired. Right? And now let's talk about the vaccine which has been approved. So Sputnik 5 is the vaccine which has got the approval, right? So India's subject expert committee has approved Dr. Reddy's application for emergency use authorization to Russia's Sputnik 5 COVID-19 vaccine. And this will be the third vaccine to receive emergency use approval in India after the two locally manufactured vaccines. तो अभी तक हमारे पास कोवैक्सीन है and कोविशील्ड है, right? So कोवैक्सीन is being manufactured by Bharat Biotech and ये ऑक्सफोर्ड एस्ट्राजेनेका की वैक्सीन है कोविशील्ड. In other countries, AstraZeneca, the name is being used. In India, the name Covishield is being used, right? And now, due to, because आपको पता ही है कोविड सिचुएशन कितनी खराब चल रही है, right? We need more vaccines. हमारी जो domestic capacity है to manufacture them, it is not up to the mark, right? We need more rapid vaccines and vaccination. इसीलिए so we have requested Russia as well, and Russia से ये 1st May तक first batch will arrive. Right, and later on this will be manufactured in India as well, right? So that is about these two questions. Let's move further. All right, so which company will be acquiring Cleartrip Travel Company? I am sure you are familiar with these names, Cleartrip. Then the options are Flipkart, Amazon, Google or Facebook. So this is kind of easy. You can make an intelligent guess कि कौन सी कंपनी क्लियर ट्रिप को एक्वायर करने जा रही है. Alright, बच्चे, just make a random guess. I don't mind.
Amazon.
Okay, you
Amazon.
say Amazon. Alright. Anybody else? हाँ जी, सोनाली, हरमन.
Ma'am, Google.
Okay, so one vote for Google as well. Yes, Aditya,
Flipkart.
Karan. हाँ जी.
No, Flipkart.
Okay, Harman will go in for Flipkart. All right. So we'll just check its answer. Let's take a look at the 4th question as well.
Facebook.
Okay, so we have one vote for Facebook as well. Chalo, theek hai. Let's see. Okay, so the 4th question is, lost golden city has been discovered in which nation? So,
Egypt.
हाँ जी, you say Egypt? हाँ जी, anybody for
Yes,
Egypt?
ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am, Egypt.
Egypt. So let's see. So the answer is Flipkart for the 3rd question, that Flipkart is going to acquire Cleartrip, right? So I think we had votes for Flipkart, right? And yes, the lost golden city has been discovered in Egypt. And here, wait, I just wanted to show you this city. All right, so here we have. So ये बेटा National Geographic के website पे I just found this article related to this. So there are a few pictures here, right? So this is a 3,400 years old city, right? And it is enclosed by a zigzag wall. ये देखो, this zigzag wall is here. This is that city, and the mud brick walls are here, right? There were some more pictures, quite interesting. So this is, I think, probably the emperor who used to rule, and he left the golden city for a new capital at Amarna, encouraged a startlingly different style of Egyptian art. Here he is shown with his wife and 3 daughters. So this is probably the wife and the daughters. I could just see 2 daughters. बाकी आप closely देख सकते हैं, in case you can see another daughter somewhere here, right? So this art has been found. Then this is the site where it has been discovered, right? Egypt, actually all the countries, all the areas, they have rich history. अगर आपको इंडिया का पता होगा, so we had that, Indus Valley civilization. तो Indus Valley civilization की कितनी ही sites मिली हैं, planned cities मिली हैं. Similarly, Egyptian civilization was also culturally very rich, very modern in that time, right? So इधर भी काफी कुछ मिला है. Pyramids are very famous, right? So recently this is another discovery. And these are few inscriptions which have been found on clay caps of wine vessels at the site, which help to date the city at the time of Amenhotep. I don't know how to pronounce their names, right? So this is around this time, 1386 BC. So these inscriptions have been found. This is another 2 unusual burials of cow or bull. ठीक है, ये आपको, या इफ यू आर अवेयर, यू माइट हैव रेड, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में भी काफी बैरियल स्टाइल्स बहुत थे, तब डिफरेंट होते थे, राइट? जो हमारे आजकल मॉडर्न है, it was not so common back then. People used to bury, right? Most of them, and they were different. In some areas, the pets were buried along. Then in some areas, you might have read they used to keep, some stuff of daily use because इनका belief था कि there is life after death. So thinking about that, they used to bury some precious goods. जैसे पिरामिड्स में तो काफी सामान मिला है, राइट? आपने वो कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होगा या कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी होगी. So some decorative and ritual items have also been found, amulets, scarabs, right? So this was all about it. So now we can get back to our questions. So yes, that was found in Egypt and you just saw the picture. So that would probably help you, remember things. All right, moving further. Where is the world's highest railway bridge, Chenab Bridge, located? Yes. So you might have heard about the Chenab River, right? जो हमारा state का name है Punjab, which means state of 5 rivers, right? So Chenab is one of those, along with Ravi, Satluj, Beas and Jhelum. तो अभी modern day पंजाब में तो वो बीच में से नहीं मिल जाता, right? So any idea about it? थोड़ा सोचो कि कौन से स्टेट में लोकेटेड है ये वाला ब्रिज?
मैम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर.
Okay, Nikhil says Jammu and Kashmir. Right? Anybody else?
मैम जम्मू मैम.
You also
Jammu and
say Jammu and Kashmir, Vishal?
Yes मैम.
All right. चलो ठीक है, हम ये चेक कर लेते हैं. Then the sixth question is, who topped the Forbes Billionaires List 2021 with a net worth of $177 billion? Yes.
Jeff Bezos.
Ma'am, Jeff Bezos.
Yes,
All right. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with who Jeff Bezos is, right? So let's check the answers. So yes, you are right. It is Jammu and Kashmir. Northern Railways completed the construction of the arch closure of the Chenab Bridge, the world's highest railway bridge, on April 5th, 2021. And the 1.3 kilometer long bridge sits at a height of 359 meters above the bed of the Chenab River in the Jammu and Kashmir state, right? And yes, that is Jeff Bezos, the richest man. And the Forbes recently revealed its 35th annual list of the world's richest people. The billionaires list, which is one of the biggest ever, includes 2,755 billionaires. That is quite a big number for number of billionaires in the world. And it is 660 more than last year. Amazon's CEO, Jeff Bezos, continued to top the list with a net worth of $177 billion, making him the world's richest person for the 4th year running. So आपने न्यूज़ में इसका भी पढ़ा होगा कि कोविड जो पैंडेमिक का इम्पैक्ट हुआ है, right? We had a nationwide lockdown. Most of the countries had similar lockdowns. हमारी industrial activity, manufacturing was totally closed for quite some time, almost 45 days. ठीक है, इंडिया में रेलवेज बंद थे, तो a lot of people suffered huge financial losses. अमेरिका, यूएस में तो number of jobs were lost, right? Even in some other countries, Canada वगैरह, in developed countries as well as developing countries, everywhere. सबसे ज़्यादा तो हमारा ये जैसे hospitality sector hit हुआ, right? Travel and tourism industry hit हुई, क्योंकि जो भी non-essential थे, those offices, those businesses, those companies, number of them closed down, and of course the employees were laid off. They were out of jobs. However, surprisingly, हमारे फिर भी देखो 660 billionaires increase हुए हैं. So what was the idea? That the rich people, they got richer and the poor people got even more poor. So pandemic का असर ही कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, हमारी economy ऐसे built है that this is how it impacted, and this is actually really sad, right? So yes, now talking about the railway bridge, I found a very good video. I wanted to share it with you. So let me just go back to the previous screen. I am not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but you will definitely be able to see it. बेटा आवाज आ रही है इसकी? हाँ जी.
No मैम.
नहीं आ रही. So I will off. Otherwise नहीं तो there is just background music. आप वैसे तो देख ही सकते हो. So there are few facts which are being shared about it. ठीक है, इसको फुल स्क्रीन कर लेते हैं. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Right, so coming back to our question. All right, so next we have a disastrous wildlife fire has broken out in which among the following states? Yes. Any idea about it?
Ma'am, Mizoram.
Okay, so Nikhil goes for Mizoram. Okay, the rest of you, Arvind, Harman, Vishal? हाँ जी, सोनाली,
No idea.
आदित्य? हाँ जी बेटा, ये न्यूज़ पढ़ी थी कहीं पे? All right, so other than we can check the answer. And also आपको भी पता होगा we had the Oscars or the Academy Awards recently, right? On 26th April, I believe. So which film has won the Oscar for Best Picture at the 93rd Academy Awards? हाँ जी, anybody who follows these awards, you know, interested in Hollywood movies?
Yes, ma'am. Nomadland.
Okay,
A.
Harman says Nomadland won it. ठीक है. Anybody else?
Ma'am, A.
Okay, so Sonali also goes for A, Nomadland. ठीक है?
मैम Nomadland.
Okay, Nikhil is also for Nomadland, so yes, Nomadland is the correct answer. So let's पहले check करते हैं कि कौन सी state में हुई. So that was also Mizoram. Yes, you were right. So the Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga, I am not sure how they pronounce the name, right, tweeted on 25th April informing that numerous wildfires have razed several settlements in different parts of the state. He informed that no casualties were reported as of the moment, and two Mi-17 helicopters of the Indian Air Force were pressed into service on Monday to douse the wildfire in Longlei district of Mizoram since Saturday. राइट सो आपने बेटा अभी पढ़ा होगा कि अभी मतलब वाइल्ड फायर्स इन स्पेशली इन दिस सीजन दे आर वेरी कॉमन, राइट. ये जो हमारा ट्रांजिशन वाला होता है फ्रॉम विंटर टू समर. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी हैव ऑटम सीजन, तब भी बहुत ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट फायर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया, इवन आपने ऑस्ट्रेलियन बुश फायर्स का सुना होगा, राइट. देन इन कैलिफोर्निया, इन यूएस, काफी ज्यादा एरिया वहां पे फायर जस्ट इट स्टार्ट्स रैंडमली. इट कुड बी ड्यू टू सम मैन मेड एरर, ठीक है, बट अदर देन दैट वो टाइम जो होता है ना, दे आर प्रोन टू दीज फायर्स, क्योंकि ये जो कई जो इधर ट्रीज की स्पीशीज होती है ना, दे हैव दिस नीडल लाइक लीव्स एंड दे आर इनफ्लेमेबल. सो थोड़ा सा फ्रिक्शन होती है, इट कैचेस फायर एंड द फायर स्प्रेड्स लाइक एनीथिंग. ठीक है, फिर तो उसका कोई एंड नहीं है. यू हैव टू स्टॉप इट एट टाइम्स, और एट टाइम्स जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, कैलिफोर्निया है, वो एरियाज ही इतने बड़े हैं कि इवन हेलीकॉप्टर्स डोंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. दे डू ट्राई टू डाउस द फ्लेम्स, दे यूज वाटर, दे यूज हेलीकॉप्टर्स, पर उससे क्या होता है, वो एरिया इतना बड़ा है कि इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस, राइट. दे जस्ट हैव टू वेट कि अभी रेनफॉल होगी या कुछ होगा, ये अपने आप फायर बंद होगी. ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो आई होप यू रिमेम्बर काफी बुरे हाल हुए थे. अ लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ डाइड, राइट. Even no doubt they are very concerned about their people. They do make sure the rescue efforts are on well in time and they rescue all the people from there. Evacuation हो जाती है. Yet जो नुकसान होता है economic as well as in terms of ecology, that is huge, right. So similarly right now in Mizoram also there has been a wildfire going on. Let's see when they are able to douse it completely, right. And now talking about the Oscars. So yes, the Oscars, you are right, Nomadland won the Oscar for the Best Picture. And if you are familiar with this actress, Frances McDormand, she bagged the Oscar for Best Actress, right? And it is her third Oscar award. ठीक है, and Anthony Hopkins, he is a very old actor, मतलब he is around 80, I believe. And उनका भी रिकॉर्ड भी बना है कि he is the oldest actor to have won the Best Actor honor for his performance in the movie The Father. Right, so in case you like watching English movies, do you can try to watch this movie whenever you find the time, right. मतलब मेरे को तो काफी इंटरेस्ट होता है to check why it was chosen to be the best movie, right. So it must be worth your time, right. And this actress, she's done a number of wonderful movies in the past as well. There is this movie 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. अगर आपने वो वाली देखी होगी तो that was also a wonderful movie, right. So this was about the Oscars. Another काफी इस बार तो awards में ना there have been some path breaking awards. How? Right, so even if you are aware who won the Oscar for Best Director, any idea? हाँ जी बच्चे, any idea about it? In case you followed the news, right. Other than that, just हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, C.
Okay, Sonali says C. It's Chloe Howe, right? Okay, anybody else? हाँ जी, Aditya, Karan, Vishal, Arvind, any idea? Chalo, we can check its answer. Other than that, just random facts that the 93rd Academy Awards ceremony presented by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences honored the best films of 2020 and early 21. It took place in Los Angeles at both Union Station and the Dolby Theatre on April 25th, right, 2 months later than planned due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on cinema. and nominations had been announced on March 15th, incidentally by Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, right? So they had announced the nominations online, right? And usually this award, the ceremony takes place in the 3rd week of February. In usual times, however, this time due to the pandemic, it was delayed by 2 months. So yes, let's check who won the Oscar for Best Director, and yes, Sonali is right. It is Chloe Hao. She won the Oscar for Best Director for the film Nomadland, right? And she became the first woman of color, first Chinese woman and second woman ever to win the award. If you remember, the first woman was Catherine Bigelow, I believe, in 2010. Right? She was the first woman जिसको director का award मिला, and now she is the second woman, and she is the first woman of color. By woman of color we mean, आपने ये term बहुत जगह पढ़ी होगी, persons of color, woman of color, right? अब ये term किसके लिए use होती है? People who are not English or who are not white, right? Who are not native of America or England, right? जो white नहीं है उनके लिए we are using this term वुमन ऑफ और पर्सन ऑफ कलर, ठीक है? अभी ये ना काफी, अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा न्यूज में या जो हमारी ये डिस्कशंस होती है उसमें ये काफी इनके राइट्स के बारे में बात होती है, राइट? पीपल ऑफ कलर के दे आर यूजुअली क्या होता है, दे आर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट, ठीक है? इन इधर कंट्रीज जहाँ पे ये जाके एज इमिग्रेंट स्टे कर रहे हैं तो कोई ना कोई इनके अगेंस्ट हेट क्राइम्स होते हैं या कुछ भी होता है. सो ऑल द मॉडर्न कंपनीज, all the modern corporations, even countries, they are now what they are trying to do is to be more inclusive. तो वो अपने जैसे जो अगर कंट्री की बात करें तो दे ट्राई के जो उनके एमपीज हैं, राइट, जो उनके कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हैं, उनमें वो हर एथनिसिटी, हर पर्सन को चांस मिले टू बी देयर, राइट? अगर आपने जस्टिन ट्रूडो का सुना होगा व्हेन ही वाज इलेक्टेड बैक, सो ही मेड हिज कैबिनेट वेरी डाइवर्स, ठीक है? जो इंडियन ओरिजिन के पीपल थे उनको कोई ना कोई उन्होंने मिनिस्ट्री दी. Then people of color, they were given a chance. Similarly in US, abhi Joe Biden has come to power, right? So he has also, Kamala Harris, the vice president, she is the woman of color and first woman president and first woman of color to hold that position, right? So abhi ye na सारी बहुत talk हो रही है, discussion हो रही है about diversity, accepting diversity and giving everybody a fair and equal chance, right? तो उसमें people of color about their rights, about their talent, about how they are always ignored, right? तो इसकी भी बहुत discussion होती है. इसीलिए this is very important that she is the first woman of color to win this award, first Chinese woman and the second woman overall to win the award for the best director at the Oscars, right? And okay, related thing है, आपको सबको पता ही होगा कि चाइना में कितनी ज्यादा censorship है, right? So have you heard of these things that China does not allow the citizens to use Facebook or Twitter, right? So have you heard anything of that sort?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So they have their own version of Google, they have their own version of YouTube, their own Facebook, ठीक है, own Twitter, सारा कुछ ही उन्होंने चाइनीज उसके वो निकाले हुए हैं, right? Why? Because it's a communist nation, right? And they believe in absolute control of the citizens, absolute control of how the citizens interact, what information gets out in the public, right? So after this also, this news in China, this news was censored, ठीक है? ये उन्होंने वहां तक पहुंचने ही नहीं दी, ठीक है? जो पब्लिक चैनल्स थे, रादर वहां पे तो सभी पब्लिक चैनल्स हैं, एवरीथिंग इज स्टेट कंट्रोल्ड, राइट? सो दे डिड नॉट ब्रॉडकास्ट दिस न्यूज, दो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज, right? However, people did get to know through social media, ठीक है? Messages spread fast. So this such a proud moment, but the country from where she hails, they did not even acknowledge the same, right? So this was all for this week, right? I hope you like this idea of discussing the latest news through a quiz. So how many of you are okay with it? Right, so Arvind likes it. Anybody else? Harman likes it as well. ठीक है. Nikhil too. So I think this is a fun way of discussing rather than me just telling you कि क्या क्या हुआ. ठीक है, उससे अच्छा है कि if we okay, Sonali is also in for the same. So उससे better I feel if it is in a quiz format. ठीक है, एक तो होता है कि आपकी नॉलेज टेस्ट हो जाती है whether you had read the news or not. ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं तो हमने सोशल मीडिया पे, जैसे ऑस्कर्स का तो आपने सोशल मीडिया पे सुना ही होगा, राइट? And other than that, you get to know few additional facts as well. For example, abhi I just missed out on something I wanted to share here when we discussed the Election Commission of India, right? So latest, did you hear that Madras High Court mein there was a petition filed by one of the, I think, AIADMK candidates. उन्होंने election commission पे ही उन्होंने ये file किया case that they are responsible for COVID surge in India, right? क्योंकि as you are aware, election rallies were going on in full swing, ठीक है? सब कुछ normal चल रहा था. They were not, even asking the candidates or the parties to take care or to follow COVID norms. वेस्ट बंगाल की पिक्चर्स आ रही हैं कि बहुत बड़ी रैलीज हो रही हैं, राइट? पीपल हु आर कंटेस्टिंग दे आर आस्किंग द पीपल टू कम एंड वोट इन ह्यूज नंबर्स, ठीक है? जितना मर्जी ध्यान रख लो, बट यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल द कोविड स्प्रेड इन सच सिचुएशंस वेयर देयर इज अ लार्ज गैदरिंग. एंड एज अ रिजल्ट यू ऑल आर अवेयर, हमारे अभी 5-6 days हो गए दैट रिकॉर्ड हाई केसेस आर कमिंग अप, राइट? अराउंड 3 लाख समथिंग. तो वो भी वर्ल्ड में हाईएस्ट नंबर आ रहा है हमारा इंडिया में. None of the other countries, whether in the first wave or the second wave, had such huge number of new cases coming up every day. Then I am sure you are also aware about the oxygen crisis that we are facing, right? Delhi, Bangalore, the situation is really pathetic. Even in Jalandhar, in Punjab, हमारा भी काफी points पे ही चल रहा है, right? The oxygen available is hardly enough to meet the requirement, right? I hope you read about Delhi Gangaram Hospital, right? And even in Patiala, जो हमारा government वो है college, medical college and hospital है, Rajendra Hospital, right? Every day काफी ज़्यादा death rate बहुत increase हो रहा है of the COVID patients, right? The hospitals are running short on oxygen. They are requesting for the supplies. The supplies are somewhere stuck. ठीक है, तो अभी तो internationally also help has poured in. US has sent help. Germany has sent oxygen concentrators. ऐसे सारे different countries are trying to help as per their own, capacity, whichever way they can. Right? So abhi the Madras High Court, what the decision was that it really rebuked the Election Commission of India. Right? काफी इनको criticize किया गया that they are solely responsible for this surge, जो एकदम से ही कि we were totally going fine, right? आप सारे कॉलेज भी आ गए थे, ठीक है? फिजिकल क्लासेस हुई हैं, and then suddenly the classes had to be stopped because हमारे cases फिर से rise करने शुरू हो गए, and rise करते करते अब now the situation has become really bleak, right? So again, so keeping these things in mind, the Election Commission of India was scolded for its conduct and for its irresponsibility, and this was a very forceful situation, forceful statement from Madras High Court, right? So this is all I wanted to say, and other than that, yes, you might be aware that tomorrow the last phase of election will be conducted in West Bengal, and after that on 2nd May, the results will be announced for all the states which had their elections. All right, so who all can name the states जिनकी अभी विधानसभा elections हुई हैं? Right, so try telling me. हमने ये I think one of the last lectures में discuss किया था about elections. So there are 5 states in all. Any idea which 5 states are those? हाँ जी बच्चे, 29th March से I think election start हुई थी. In some states it was just a single phase, right? In West Bengal, and इस decision का भी काफी criticism हुआ कि it was 8-phase election. So the voting took place on 8 different days in different regions, right? So हाँ जी, anybody who can name the states? एक तो चलो I told you West Bengal. Yes बच्चे? You can send it through the chat, or you can just otherwise tell me. हाँ जी, try. कहीं ना कहीं न्यूज़ में आपने पढ़ा होगा. Yes, any idea? I can drop hints. So 2 states from the south, rather 3 states from the south.
Karnataka.
Okay, not Karnataka. Go even further south.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes, Nikhil, you are correct. Tamil Nadu. Yes, Arvind, you were about to say something?
Kerala.
Hanji, Kerala, you are right about it. Alright, so, and the third state from the south is Puducherry. No doubt it is a union territory, but Puducherry, the union territory, also has a state legislature, right? So the elections took place for that state legislature. Similarly, जैसे Delhi is also a union territory, but it also has a state legislature. Delhi का भी CM बनता है, right? Delhi में ministers हैं, cabinet ministers होते हैं, उधर भी हमारे MPs हैं. So that MPs भी हैं, MPs तो चलो होंगे, MLAs हैं, right? So we have Puducherry, we have Tamil Nadu, we have Kerala, West Bengal, and one more state is left, that is from the northeast. Alright, so that is the biggest hint I could give, that one state from the northeast also had its Vidhan Sabha elections. So yes, any idea?
गुजरात.
Northeast बेटा, गुजरात तो west हो गया.
अच्छा नॉर्थ ईस्ट.
हाँ जी. Yes, think about it.
Ma'am, Assam.
Assam, yes, you are right. So that is the fifth state which had its Vidhan Sabha elections, right? And on 2nd May, I think 2nd May is Sunday. So yes, the results will pour in, and we'll get to know, you know, काफी elections in terms of politics. This discussion was going on that what would be the impact of first the COVID pandemic, right? पिछले साल से चल रहा है. No doubt बीच में बिहार elections भी हुई हैं, but अभी ये कट्टी 5 states की election हुई है, तो इससे थोड़ा सा पता चलेगा कि how the power politics has changed, right? And if the COVID pandemic had any impact on voting behavior of the people. Then also another point which, you know, the editors and the political, you know, the analysts, they are looking at is the impact of the farmers protests. ठीक है, farmers के protest पिछले साल से चल रहे हैं, I believe November end. So that is also expected to have some impact on the voting behavior and the results, right? So let's see क्या बनता है, ठीक है? So this was all for today. Anything you want me to discuss in the next class? Right? Anything you feel now you want to focus on? हाँ जी बच्चे, any suggestions from your side? You may send them in the chat, right? Yes, बच्चे, anything you would like to be discussed? हाँ जी.
Ma'am, aptitude questions.
Okay, so you want aptitude questions? ठीक
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
All right, so I'll you know, plan something. Also, do you want you know, those questions about your personality assessment? Right, I can find those relevant questionnaires. So I'll find a way in which
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can, you know, appear for those, ठीक है? So something for your personality assessment, something for your self-concept assessment, ठीक है? Whichever questionnaires, good questionnaires which I am able to find, so we can have those classes. ठीक है, that is a good idea, and we can also discuss the results later on, right? So that was all for today. I hope you liked the class, right? So see you in the next class, and keep attending the classes. Ask your class